So today I want to share with you this water hose by GUKOK. I've had this maybe about a month now, and at first I didn't quite know what to think of it, but after it's had time to adjust or break in, if you will, not really breaking anything, but if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. I've actually come to really like this water hose. Here in the front of our house, we don't have any established irrigation, and so I have to come out here and manually water our plants and our flowers. First I had just a bucket, but you know that takes too long. I've had a water hose, but it was one of those heavier ones, and so I really was looking for something that wasn't so heavy that I could drag around, especially I am pregnant, and so I just need things to be as easy as I possibly can make them right now without investing a whole lot of money like a irrigation system. So this water hose was the next best thing. I actually have it turned on right now, so it's all inflated looking, but when the water is off, it actually is really flat, and it's just like cloth moving around, a string of cloth, if you will, and then you turn it on and it fills up. I will say it comes in the box all wound up, right? And so it's kind of been stuck in that stiff wound up position. And so it took some, after a couple, I'd say, uses of it is when it really started breaking in and it wouldn't have all these extra kinks in it. That was one thing I didn't want all these kinks, right? And so I was almost a little disappointed at first, but I gave it some time and it works much better now. I can stretch it out however far I need it and it works just fine. And then when I go to turn off the water hose, I do have this fancy nozzle on the end. I just make sure that all the water, I keep it on to make sure all the water clears the line, and then coil it back up over there. Here's a little video of what I mean. I turned the water off at the spigot, and then I'm just draining the hose out. So as you can see now, it is flat. It is flat and all the water just about is out of it, and it's now time to coil it up. Here it is all coiled up and up close, and as you can see, the water is out. Like I said, the more you use this, the more worn in or broken. I know those words make it seem like it's falling apart. It's not, but the more it adjusts to not having so many kinks and stuff as when you first get it out of the box. So I hope this video has helped you out in deciding whether this is a good fit for what you're looking for or not. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.